So guys, Shazad again from Seal UK Limited. Today I want to show you this is part 2 video. Today we cover two door contact. So I want to show you how we put two door contact in one zone. So I use this is zone 5. So zone 5 both is same. So we know how we do connections and how we do programming, and then I will show you right now. And please before we start the video, could you please subscribe my channel and make sure please give some likes and give me comments. The comments they give me a lot of helps. So I want to know what you guys knows, what you guys thinking, and please let me if I'm wrong. Please correct me. I want to learn from you as well. And please make sure to press the icon bell, and icon bell when you press, then you see my new video notification. Okay, let me start the video. Okay, as I say, today we cover only this two door contact. We know how to do connection for this door contact and how we do programming. So let me show you first how I do the connections. You can see on the picture. I will show now. On the pictures you see here, this is showing Z1, Z and C, which panel OZM. So we are showing panel connections. So this is the yellow cable going on Z1. Then after you put 2K resistor on one door contact, and then after you put one loop to other door contact, which is so you need to use the two resistor on second door contact, as you can see on the picture. So which I showing on you showing you on this door contact. This is a zone like contact 1. I use one resistor, yeah, and then second I put two resistor. So on the diagram I show you how I do. Already I show you. So this is number 1. I put one resistor. Second I put two resistor. Yeah. So this is the way you need to doing same connections on your door contact here. So as you understand, I did the connection. So now we'll show you on the panel how I did the connections. On the panel, as you can see, I use zone 5. The zone 5, which is this one. Yeah, so two cable that going on EUL and one going on the common. So this is the way I done. Only two cable are connected. You can see here. No power, nothing. Only alarm cable. Only two cable here required. So let me show you how to do the programming. Programming, you need to go to engineering mode. So this is zone 5. I connect the cable. So zone 5, press engineering code. Already I'm in engineering code. Will log out and go again. Okay, so 1111. Go to change inputs, press yes. Then need to go to 05, press 05, press yes. At the moment unused, I just give this sensor. You give anything like you give antidote or alarm. So what I do, I just give this sensor. For example, this sensor is on fire exit door. Okay, so I just put intruder, so you need to press 06 is intruder means somebody open the door. When the alarm is on, when somebody open the door, then that alarm straightway is on. Okay, then you can give also name like Chida. If you don't want intruder, just you put 07 can find as it, or 08 you can give antidote, or 09 like area effects, like in the part setting B you can use this one. Okay, so whichever you like. I just give today, just give straightway is on. Okay, and then we want to use A and B, both we use area any attribute. Somebody open the door, so I want to know the chime, somebody open the door. Then after yes, nothing change. You can give name. Okay, you can, I give this name exit ex exit. Okay, just put exit here. Okay, so now log out. Okay, let's check if the chime is working or not. Okay, it's working. This side. Okay, both is working here. Okay, now we try again. Open door. There you go. Now alarm set. If I open this door, alarm is straightway on. Okay, this one or this one, whatever. So when I open this door, now you can see alarm is triggered. Or I see the text from my mobile phone. So press here. So you say exit door is alarm. Yeah. So what we do when you come back, press, like if you are outside, you can off via mobile phone as well. There's some, this is for demo. I'll show you now the code. Now you say 05 exit is alarmed. Yeah. So press no to reset. Okay, now we test part setting. So going from the main door, okay, alarm is normal bleep, alarm is set. So now we go again on the exit door. What happened? Like we open this door now. Now you see alarm is triggered. Put code. Okay, say alarm input 05 exit door is happening. Okay. Now press no for reset. Okay, so this is the way guy programming two keypad, two door contact, how we do programming, how we do connections. Hope you understand. If any problem, just give me some comments, then I will reply back to you. Make sure please subscribe my channel and make sure press the icon bell. I give some likes. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you in next video. Okay, bye.